Today in the grammar session we will discuss on preposition. Like the name itself denotes the value of this word preposition. So the preposition usually is placed before noun or pronoun. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. So, this word, any preposition, if it is placed before noun or pronoun, it speaks of the relation between two things. Okay, two things, or maybe it may be two persons, or person, or maybe another thing, or a person and another person. So, relation between two things or persons, it denotes the relation between the things and other person with regard to something else. For example, I'll tell you, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Now tell me which is preposition here. Obviously, the preposition is on. O-N, on. So, the book, this on preposition shows the relation between book and table. So, relation between two things are shown with the help of the preposition on. O-N, on. Now, next example I'll give you. The dog is fond of biscuits. The dog is fond of biscuits. Now, which is the preposition here? Of. O-F, of is the preposition here. So, what does that speaks? It shows the relation between the dog and the biscuit. The dog and the biscuit. Next, I'll give you another example. The boy jumped off the wall. The boy jumped off the wall. Now tell me which is the preposition here. Obviously it is off. O-double-F. Off. There are two offs. O-double-F. Now this off shows the relationship between the dog, the boy and the wall. So, thing and a person. Now, there are actually three kinds of prepositions. First one is simple preposition, under which you get at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, and lastly with. Now, I'll take this example now. Okay, I'll take this word preposition and I'll explain you. Shyam is walking with Ram. Shyam is walking with Ram. Now, with is used here. Now, two persons relation is shown with regard to something else, with regard to walking. So, Shyam is walking with Ram. This. Again. We'll take from. Okay. From. Another example. We'll take another example from. Reema is from Rajpur. Reema is from Rajpur. So now Reema's relation with Rajpur is shown through this word. Understood? Reema's relation with Rajpur is shown through this preposition. So, there are other prepositions also. On. The food is kept on the table. The food is kept on the table. The relation between food and the table is shown through on. Out. The gate is outside the house. The gate is outside the house. Now, this out is shown here through the relation between the gate and the house is shown through the preposition out. I'll come to the next kind of preposition, that is compound prepositions, which are formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. So, which are formed by prefixing. A prefixing preposition is shown to noun or an adjective, noun or an adjective or an adverb. Like examples: above, about, across, along, amidst, among, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside. So these are the prepositions which come under compound prepositions. Now we'll take one or the other. We'll take behind. Easy ones we'll take behind. So there is a playground behind my house. There is a playground behind my house. The relation between the playground and the position of the house is shown through this preposition, that is behind. Now, amidst. How you amidst? There is a rotten apple amidst good apples. There is a rotten apple amidst good apples. So, among the rotten apples, there is a good apple also. It is shown by saying this. Beside. Beside. Beside means by the side of. Now, I'll tell another. The table is kept beside the door. The table is kept beside the door. So, it is table is kept near to, not like near to, it is beside, by the side of. By the side of. So, beside. Near to doesn't come here. It is beside, by the side of. So, to, it is fixing of prefixing. So, prefixing means you just previously fix the preposition to show something else. Okay. Between. There was a clash between two brothers. There is a clash between two brothers. So, between two brothers, a clash exists is shown by using this word. So, this is about a simple preposition and a compound preposition. We just see the third phrase, third kind, that is phrasal preposition, that comes in a phrase type. Phrasal preposition is in a phrase type. A group of word is used. A group of words is are used with a force of a single preposition. A single preposition. Example, according to, or in front of, along with, then in order to, in place of, then because of, because of. Then in reference to. So these are the phrasal prepositions. A group of words are used. A group of words used with the force of a single preposition. See, now according to, here according to is a preposition. According is added there. According to Shakespeare. According to Shakespeare. So according to. In front of. The shop is in front of my house. In front of my house. So this is preposition. This is also preposition. In total it makes a phrasal preposition. Along with. She went along with her brother. In order to punish the culprits, the court took such and such action. In order to. In place of. Because of. In reference to. So these are the few more words. I will give you a thorough notes about these three kinds of preposition with examples. So till then, take care and revise this grammar part, that is preposition. Very easy topic. You can anyway study this. Revise this till I give you the next step of this preposition in the grammar part. The next step is the correct use of some prepositions. So it is not necessary that this preposition there is a particular rule. There are some, English is a funny language, you know all. So sometimes it makes a difference if you use in a strict sense. So you have to follow and you should know in what reference some prepositions are used and where these prepositions are not to be used. So revise this till I take your next video. Take care. Namaste.